Static in the veins, fingers clawing the floor, choking on the silence, screaming for more. The gravity is bending, the pressure is high. Kill the panic, look it in the eye. Out the chaos, fill up the frame, break every tether, and light the flame.